let me clarify a second thing before I go to the main topic. I'd like to clarify na agad-agad sinecure yung CCTV sa Senate. Marami pong theories, marami pong haka-haka, maraming nagpupush ng narrative, no? Isa sa unang sinabi sa akin ni Secretary ni Secretary John Vic Remulla ay pagdating sa Senate, we will secure the Senate, we will make sure that everyone's safe. Sabi niya, Senate President, or kilala naman niya ako, so sabi niya, Alan, please make sure may access kami at na-secure yung CCTV. So as soon as I saw the Sergeant at Arms, sinabi ko na parating dito si Secretary Remulla, make sure that in front of them, makita nila yung CCTV, tapos may dalawang kopya. May kopya tayo, may kopya sila. Pangalawa ko sinabi po sa Sergeant at Arms, of course mabilis po to, so as far as I can recall, joint investigation to. Kailangan full transparency. Hindi pwede natin sabihin jurisdiction natin to, so tayo lang mag-iimbestiga. Klarong-klaro po yon na sinabi natin na to be transparent at naibigay ka agad to sa PNP at DILG. So sa lahat ng humihingi ng kopya, maging sa Office of the Ombudsman, maging sa NBI, I'll sort out the technicalities at legal later on, kasi even yung sinabi ko kahapon na kung sinususpindi nyo ang aming Sergeant of Arms, I have to wait for the memo ng aming legal and to ask the other senators kasi may legal issue dyan. But ang sabi ko, to be fair, tandaan nyo na sa investigasyon, napaka-importante yung impartial. Kung walang credibility yung investigasyon, bali walang investigasyon. So, paano mag-iimbestiga ang NBI kung sila mismo ang iniimbestigahan? Diba? Tandaan nyo po, paulit-ulit sinabi sa amin na wala sila sa aming premises at wala sila sa GSIS. Nangako din ang NBI na bibigyan kami ng kopya ng warrant at hindi naman kami binigyan ng kopya. So, hindi pa namin nakikita yung warrant. So, paano nila sasabihin sa amin na dapat ay dinetain namin si Senator Bato? Even assuming that we had the power to detain him. Number 3, they promised us an investigation dun sa mga nakipaghabulan na agents nila nung Monday. Hanggang ngayon, wala yon. But idadagdag ko lang, yesterday, sinabi po ng DOJ Secretary na alam nila ang pagkilos ng NBI nung Monday at Wednesday. So of course, that's the first time I heard na alam ng DOJ yung pagkilos. Then they announced mag-iimbestiga sila. Baliktad ata, you should be part of those being investigated. Kasi iniimbestigahan nga yung ginawa ng NBI. So kung alam nyo, ba't hindi kayo nagsalita? So, hindi yan ang topic ko ngayon hapon, but eto lang iwanan ko sa inyo. If you wanna be the good guys, or you wanna be the bida, hindi pwedeng ikaw ay kontrabida. Okay? So, klaro yon. Hindi pwedeng sasabihin mo, mag-iimbestiga para malaman ang katotohanan, tapos ikaw pala yung dapat imbestigahan. That's precisely why I allowed the DILG and PNP, kasi hindi naman pwedeng Senate lang ang mag-iimbestiga. Dapat malaman din nila. But, one point lang, no, may napanood ako, I hope that wasn't AI. I know that reporter or news anchor sa isang radio station, tinanong niya si General Aberin, isang kilalang general with integrity na sa labas, tinanong na, Sir, kung ito ay isang residence at may warrant of arrest ka, sigurado, pinasok nyo na yung residence na yon. Hindi nga department ng gobyerno ang Senado. Ito ay isang branch of government. There are 3 branches of government: executive, legislative, and judicial. Sige nga, subukan nyo na armado kayo, pumunta kayo sa DOJ, tapos paalisin kayo ng Lunes. Sabihin nyo, wala kayong agent doon. Balikan nyo ng Wednesday na meron kayo, tactical gear kayo at may dala kayong mahabang barel. tignan po natin kung masaserve nyo basta dun sa loob o kung yung marshals nila ay kikilos. Or pumunta kayo ng Malacanang. Huwag nyo na sabihin presidente, sabihin nyo may isang official sa Malacanang na magsaserve kayo ng warrant. Sa Malacanang gawin, hindi kayo mag-coordinate sa Office of the Executive Secretary or sa PSG. Tignan natin kung hindi magkaputukan doon o hindi magkaroon ng warning shot, di ba? So, let's not confuse the public. Di ba? So, kung halimbawa yung isang senador who should act like an ordinary citizen, let's say, umorder ng pansit, yung uunahan niya sa restaurant or sa kalenderya ang isang ordinary citizen, yun, valid sabihin yun na porque senador ka, uunahin ka. Hindi ba dapat just like an ordinary citizen, nakapila ka? Pero yung sasabihin mo mag-serve ka ng warrant of arrest sa loob ng Senado, sasabihin mo this is like a private residence. Kunting aral-aral naman. Napakabigat ng implication sa publiko kung tuturuan natin sila ng mali. It seems like a ordinary question, pero mabigat tong question na to, no? Same thing, kung sasabihin mo na, ba't ka magpapaputok dyan? Warning shot ba, ganyan? This is not an ordinary police situation in the street. We were on high alert the whole day. Wednesday, nakipaghabulan sa senador. We are a branch of government. And I'm not protecting any senator here. We're protecting the integrity of the Senate, the integrity of our Philippine Constitution. This is not about men or women or politics. This is about laws. It is about our democracy. It is about our Constitution. Okay? So, my main complaint yesterday was that from the search for the truth, parang naging PR campaign. PR meaning public relations. Parang may narrative, counter-narrative, para bang rumble sa college na wala nang pakialam kung sino tama at mali. Basta't kung brad mo yon, doon ka nakakampi. So para bang may two sides of the narrative and then bahala na si Batman. Basta't ang importante, yung narrative namin. Hindi po. That's why nung humingi kami ng tulong, unang-una hiningi namin, every single person in the Senate ay ma-secure at masiguradong ligtas at hindi masaktan. Including of course the Senate media na tinutukan talaga yung mga nangyayari doon. Ang problema, parating pa lang si Secretary John Vic at saka ang NCR ang NCRPO na sa labas, but ang Chief PNP may nagsasabi na stage to. So meron ng narrative. And then may counter-narrative na. I did not give in to a counter-narrative. So tignan niyo po ang aming joint statement at pagharap sa press ni Secretary Remulla. Sinabi ko, hintayin yung investigasyon. Hindi ko binanggit yung word na NBI, although meron na kaming initial findings na NBI because I didn't want to influence anyone. And I didn't want this to be a government versus government unless there is a hard evidence. No? So, if the past few days we've seen PR campaigns, public relation campaigns, let me talk to you this afternoon or this evening about a different PR campaign. Sana po the rest of the day today and tomorrow, especially tomorrow, which is a holy day for many religious people regardless of your faith. Ang PR campaign na aking pong propose ay Prayer and Reflection Campaign.